I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and today we're going to take a look at a Mercedes Sprinter high roof extended 4x4 with a loading ramp. Let's check it out. As you can see, the ramp stores just behind the rear doors, taking up about 6 to 8 inches of cargo space. I'll show you the best feature first. It's the external swivel. Opens up and allows for ease of access to get all those tools quickly and easily out without having to deploy the ramp. Now check out how easily this ramp deploys, one-handed. So with this option, you get a 47-inch wide, free and clear. This happens to be a 9-foot long ramp. You could go longer, but the customer chose this ramp because it fits their needs well. This is a spring-assisted ramp. It's all aluminum, and again, it's very easy to use with that spring assist. With simply one hand, you can put it up and away. And just like that, we're ready to go. Thanks for watching.